Ok, Marina, hice mis prácticas aquí. I did my internship here. I did my internship here. Una previsión o el pronóstico del tiempo. The weather forecast. The weather forecast. Okay, a new vocabulary word was, if you want to say, maybe like me desplazo en coche al trabajo. I commute by car. I commute by car. So using this word commute to go from home to work and back. Y comparto el viaje con un compañero de trabajo. And I carpool with a workmate or a co-worker. I carpool with a co-worker or a workmate. So to share a car one day is to carpool. Okay, review maybe tiene sentido y no tiene sentido. It makes sense, it doesn't make sense. Okay, and then we worked on some adjectives. So él es sensato y toma buenas decisiones. He's sensible. He makes good decisions. He's sensible. He makes good decisions. So in English, sensible maybe relates more to decision making, reasoning, your ability to reason and think. All right, sort of a false friend. So then in Spanish, sensible, let's see, mi sensibilidad significa que me preocupe fácilmente. My sensitivity means I get worried easily. My sensitivity means I get worried easily. So really in that sentence, I just wanted us to use sensitivity and get worried and worried easily to talk about ways people can be. Okay, él es extrovertido, hablador, sencillo. He's an extrovert. He's talkative. He's easygoing. He's an extrovert. He's talkative and he's easygoing. Soy introvertida y reservada. I'm an introvert and reserved. Reserved, shy, things like that. Very good. Is there something else? Oh yeah, this word, so a type of humor, ingenioso, maybe witty. Witty. Someone who's fast would be quick-witted. Someone who's funny, has a comment that's pretty clever, would be witty. Great. I think that's good for today. Yeah. Outgoing, easygoing, witty, very good. Sensible, yes.